Hi, my name is Jesse with the Buckeye Public Library System, and in today's installment of Explore Your Digital Library, we're going to find out how you can access our virtual code club from home. Let's get started. So we're going to start here on our website, buckeyeaz.gov/library. We're going to scroll down and select Explore the Digital Library, and once here, we're going to scroll down and find the Virtual Programming section. Underneath that, we want to go ahead and expand the section called Code Club, and then we can click the link here that says Code Club, which will go ahead and give us a redirect, letting us know we're leaving the page, and then it will take us through to the actual Code Club page. Now, if you've used Code Club before, you can enter your username and password to sign in. If you haven't, you can click Sign Up. Now, you're going to put your coder's first name here, and there's a place for gender there, and you can just leave the library as Coyote Branch, and then you can click Next. Now here you're going to enter a parent email. Now this is really important. If you have used it before and you can't remember the credentials, go ahead and do a reset password with the parent email you used when you first signed up, and that will let you reset the password. And here I'm just picking the month and year of the coder's birth. And next I'm going to pick a username and password for Code Club so I can track my progress. And once I've done that and entered that in, I can click Save, and now I'm in. So there's going to be pop-up videos that are going to guide me through this process, and that's how we can access our Code Club from home.